Get a feel for the 2019 Volkswagen Golf. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Make your daily commute fun and efficient in this highly rational Golf. Clean design, advanced safety and connectivity tech, and brisk acceleration team up to give you an unbeatable value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power passenger seat, power driver seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Efficiency meets athleticism in this fun-loving Golf. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.